Good day to you. My name is Uncle TK, your host on Dagaboy TV. Today, I'm continuing to share with you more information on the pre-construction phase. This time, I'm going to give you more detail on house plans and their components. The main components of a house plans are a site plan, a floor plan, elevations, cross sections, electrical and plumbing plans, interior design elements, sustainability and energy efficiency considerations, accessibility and safety features, outdoor spaces, specify the type and location of landscaping, and any other considerations that you might want to be included on your plans. So now I'm going to discuss them in a bit more detail. A site plan. A site plan clearly defines the property boundaries, show natural slope and elevation of the land, and identify existing environmental features such as trees, water bodies, and wetlands. And normally this site plan is done by the surveyor, and I recommend that you have a site plan on your house plan, especially if an absent land developer. At least to give you an idea of how your land looks, so that you can be able to help your architect when they are designing their floor plan to position your house in the other outer buildings or structures that you might want to be included in your house plan. It must also have a floor plan. This is done by the architect, and to design the floor plan, which defines the layout of each room, including location and of doors, windows, and any built-in features. It must also ensure that circulation paths like passages are clear and unobstructed, provide adequate storage and closet space. And also the house on your house plans, you must have elevations. Elevations specify the exterior finishes such as chimneys, show the location and size of windows and doors, clearly define the roof designs including pitch, overhang, and any other features such as skylights. And also your house plan must have cross sections. The cross sections show the construction of walls, including type of insulation, drywall, and any other finishes. It also clearly defines the construction of floors and ceiling, including type of joists, subflooring, and any finishes. The cross sections also specify the construction of the roof, including the type of rafters, sheathing, and roofing materials. That is whether you want to use IBR sheets, concrete tiles, thatch, asbestos, etc., etc. And also on your house plans, you must have electrical and plumbing plans. These show the location of outlets, switches, and any other electrical features. The plumbing layout clearly defines the location of plumbing fixtures such as sinks, toilets, and showers. And also you must have specified the location of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning equipment and ductwork. This part is very important, because at times I've come across with house plans which don't have this information, and then the client at the end of the day akuti ndoda kuisa stove yangu pakati or sink haisi pairi or shower haisi pairi. All those things must be included in the plan, and talk to your architect during design, so that you don't have to do any adjustments once construction is started. And also your house plan must have interior design elements that specify interior finishes such as floors, flooring, walls, and ceiling. Clearly define the designs and layout of cabinets and countertops. Specify the type and location of fixtures and appliances like washing machine and stove, as I've mentioned earlier. Also, your design must also ensure if you want an island in your kitchen or in your dining room, you want all those things should be included in your plan. And also your house plan must have sustainability and energy efficiency considerations that specify the type and amount of insulation used in the design. Choose energy efficient windows and doors. Consider incorporating renewable energy systems such as solar and wind power. Pamno design your plan should also take into consideration kuti ma solar panels enyu mchaisa papi, because normally the current trends is that my solar panels are on roof. It's because these current houses were designed in such a way that there was no provision for solar systems. Could my solar panels are papi. It doesn't mean that necessarily solar panels have to be on top. They can be put on the ground, they can put on the side, as long as they are provided for in the design. Accessibility and safety features. Incorporate accessibility features such as wheelchair ramps and wide doorways. Remember, no one out panapa that somebody who is disabled, who's using a wheelchair, but you are going to get old. You might need a wheelchair in the future. So incorporate those designs in your house plan, so that kind of age you'll be able to access your house comfortably. And also include smoke and gas detectors house plan yako, because these days we are now using gas. We are moving into using more gas, so it's also advisable to plan ya house plan yako. You must incorporate all those things so that you are covered for the future. And also on your house plan, you must clearly define the design and layout of outdoor living spaces like my patio, my deck design, my gazebo also something like my cottages. They should be on the house plan. Remember, with your site plan, you can actually could position a house in such a way that garden rangu rinenge riri kuko, cottage yangu inenge iri papo, so that zvako zvinenge zviri in order and zvaka designed in such a way that it minimizes my cost ako. And also you must specify the type and the location of landscaping features. Those are about to discuss a bit earlier. And this one must also provide outdoor storage spaces like my shades in my garages are incorporated into your house plan. And also other features that you can include into your house plan include my swimming pools, my tennis courts. If you want to have a squash court, all those things, my sporting facilities, they can also be included into your house plan, although those are optional. Even your boundary wall, it can also be included into your plan, because normally it affects the value of your property. So normally, if it's a brick boundary wall or panel jiro, precast panel jiro, it must be included in your plan because it enhances the value of your plan. I hope I've shed some light into what you need to do, what you need to be incorporated on your house plans. Now I'll leave you. I'm going to leave you watching some model house designs which are done by architect Wachipa. Thank you very much for your support. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. I really need your support. Thank you very much. God bless.